Geniuses, I swear. Ooh. Hear that hum? I hear that hum. Let me get my voltmeter out. Watch this. So I got my voltmeter on one of the incoming lines of power. See that? There's L1 and L2, or L1 and L2. 110 volts on each side. Watch this. Wait for it. It's gonna try to start up. She looks a little swollen too. There it is. Compressor. Almost getting 70 something amps of power. Let's measure that again.
It's always a lesson if I'm calling you out.
That's correct.
There's certain things.
Look at that. 73 amps is trying to start. Let's check the other one.